Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Journey to Wisdom and Wealth. My name is Tara. If you're new, welcome. If you're not new, welcome back. Thanks so much for joining me. You know, you're already part of the what? The Grateful Gang, Grateful Gang, Grateful Gang, Grateful Gang. Grateful Gang members, I love you. If you're not a part of Grateful Gang, I would love to have you over here. Over here, we do budgeting as well as first-time home ownership things and vloggy vlogs. So this Vlogmas day, I'm not gonna lie, y'all, I'm just real chill today. It's a little cloudy outside. See, not sunny. And I'm just on the little chair over here, chilling, and the living room is an absolute atrocious mess. But I'm not even sure if you're gonna see this vlog because I'm not in the mood to like video everything that I'm doing. I think I'm gonna I swear, I'm gonna take the eyeshadow off my face all the way or something. Can y'all see? Okay, never mind. Or maybe that's just tired, girl. Ooh. Anyway, I don't know. I don't feel like showing the whole cleaning up process and bringing out the wash dishes. I don't really feel like it. So I think what we'll see is if I feel like sharing something, then I'll share it and hopefully it comes out being a really good video. But I will show you what the living room is currently looking like. Okay? Yeah. Look at the handbag. Wow. And it's now, if you notice, the tree, which I'm so in love with it, you guys. So glad I did it. The garland mantle, the mantle, fireplace mantle, and over there, the entryway table. Okay, they look amazing. It's all the things that are around them that have been used as DIY stations and lay down on the couch that actually are a mess. So I'm just gonna take some time. Oh, dang it, I left my laundry upstairs. And to go back upstairs, grab my laundry so I can sort that, get some laundry started, and clean this here up, okay? Maybe I'll share when I cook and bake today. Yeah, because I feel like I'm just here for a calming experience today, y'all. We'll see how we do. Anyway, I hope you have a great day. Vlogmas is going so well. I love it. How's your how's your everyday of December going? Talk to y'all later. For now, my little trio of houses in the little tray, I like it. I think I would like to add a couple bottle bristle. I should have picked up bristle brush trees. Is that what they're called? And I think a few around, and maybe even some cute little deer would have been cute in there, but I see some for cheap. Maybe I'll pick some up. If not, then I'm not going to worry about it. Also, that thing that was supposed to go around above the mirror instead of the snowflake, I'm thinking about putting it on top of the door. I do like it there. So, and then the other mailbox, I don't think it's going to stay outside. I'm thinking about putting it on top of the mirror. Y'all let me know what you. This is basically just me giving you snapshots of what I'm doing. As you can hear, laundry is going. And we're just having a nice, slow day. Hi, I just went to Aldi, just impromptu. Actually, I was stalking my little sister. It's actually her birthday weekend. Her birthday is on the 12th. And she was like, oh yeah, I'm just gonna Aldi real quick, blah, blah, blah. I was like, what? And I knew I could get there super fast. And I wanted to take her to lunch or late lunch because it's almost 3 now. And I was like, are you hungry? And she's like, yes. And she wanted like wings. I think we're going to end up going to Mellow Mushroom is what she chose. But she's going to go home because she was actually buying groceries in Aldi. And she's going to go home and put on grown-up clothes, as she liked to call it, and put away her groceries and things like that. But I just came on to tell you that, and also show you that I bought my groceries. Well, I didn't really buy groceries. I really only went for cheese. But I got a few more other things. I've been really wanting a really good grilled cheese lately. And so I bought myself this specialty artisan baguette bread. I figure if I split it down the middle like that way, I didn't want to get a whole loaf. I'm not a really big bread person, y'all. So I always waste it. And I don't like when it's frozen. So I was like, if I get this long one and I can cut them into like 3s and have 3 different grilled cheese sandwiches. Ooh, grilled steak and cheese sandwich maybe? Anyway, so yeah, I got this and it was only like, I think $1 something. I then got my favorite ice cream, but in a different flavor this time. Y'all know I love this. Well, if you're not new, you know I love this gelato from Aldi. I went to Aldi, did I say that? And this one is a triple chocolate. Y'all, this stuff is delicious. This is not the one I normally get. The one I normally get is usually like some kind of cookie and whatever situation. And I bought that for me and my sister because I wanted her to try it. It's her birthday weekend. And then I got some kale pesto pasta sauce. It sounded very healthy and nutritious, so giving that a try. While I was there, I was like, what can I get to kind of meal prep something? And I got this sauce because I think I finished my last sauce. And I'm gonna do, I think, chicken Alfredo. No, not that. What's the one with the sauce and the chicken? Chicken parm? Chicken parm, I think. And so I got some chicken. It was $4.50, the thinly sliced ones. So I can like quick cook them with some panko breadcrumbs and like pan fry them and then put some sauce. And didn't get any mozzarella cheese for the top though. Didn't think that through. I might have to go back and get some more cheese. Although I got some circulars to look at. but I really went for cheese. I got my sister some pineapple slices, which she wanted. She had already checked out, so I just picked her up some more stuff, and she put her bag in the car. And so I got some applewood smoked cheddar. This should be really good in my grilled cheese. And then I got some smoked applewood smoked Gouda. This was in my mac and cheese, and it was delicioso. So I'm sure that's going to be delicious in the grilled cheese as well. Maybe I'll put that smoked Gouda on my chicken parm. I know Italians, don't kill me. I'm just trying to save some money. All right, and then I got this for me and one for my sister as well. We like to try new cheeses. This one is Emporium Selection Masquerade Mango. White Stilton cheese with mango and ginger and other natural flavors. Look at that. Oh, yeah. That's a charcuterie board cheese right there, as my sister calls it. She was like, I need to get my charcuterie crackers. I said, girl, that's not how it goes. She played too much. Anyway, and now she's got me calling it. But Aldi does have a really nice selection of like crackers you could use for a charcuterie board. It says like 6-pack selection or something on it. I didn't buy one because I already had vegetable crackers in my pantry. But when I'm done with those, I might have to buy me a pack of charcuterie crackers. All right, yo. Right tonight, right? Can you tag me on that? If you upload it? Oh, it's gonna be right? No, yeah.